I really didn't know what to expect when I came here. The Microsoft campus is beautiful. I never actually knew how cool it was.
Had never been to the campus, always wanted to come, and this was an opportunity that I was really looking forward to.
So the whole campus is awesome. It's like the stuff you see that Iron Man does. It's happening. This is it.
I think just being here and being up in this area and seeing everything here on campus is wonderful.
For me personally, the thing that I enjoyed the most was HoloLens. It was incredible.
I'm very happy to meet the people from Microsoft, and I'm very happy to experience and explore it, which is surreal. We're really enjoying it.
I don't know why anybody would not enter the rewards program. The prizes are wonderful, everything I dreamed of and more.